What's up, YouTube? How's everyone doing today? It is Monday, February 14th, 2022. I'm your host, Ty, and this is Smarter Gambling. What up, Educated Fool? What up, not Low Roller? What up, Joe? Thanks for being here, guys. Appreciate you guys, as always. What's up?
Hey, hey, hey! What's up?
I'm pretty good. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope everyone had a great weekend. Got up a little late today. I was up pretty late yesterday watching the Super Bowl. Don't know if you guys saw it, but that was a pretty crazy game there. And a lot of crypto ads and stuff, so fun time. But, let's get to business. So today we're doing the show from Ramenistan. Actually, it wasn't as bad as it was before. Before I woke up briefly in the morning to check the market, and everything was like blood red. And it seems like towards power hour here, like since like 2:30, everything came bouncing back pretty hard. So actually, the Nasdaq is in the green now, and the VIX is not as bad as it was. But I guess we could have went with the stock exchange today. But nice little run here at the end of the day to make some money back. But yeah, quite honestly, guys, today should be a pretty short show. There's not too much to talk about. On StockTwits, the top 10 trending didn't get many options. Not much chatter on StockTwits today. And the top 10 didn't get much price action either. So I guess if we have any requests, we could analyze whatever you guys want. But really the only real thing worth talking about today is AMC. And even that didn't do like that bad. Well, I guess not bad for AMC. So, yeah, regardless, gonna be a short show, but still really good show. As always, we'll be doing our daily stock and crypto reviews. And today we have 3 pieces of news, 3 articles. One about Uber. They're all crypto news. One about Uber, one about the UK, and one about BlockFi. And then, like I said, today for the analysis, we'll just be going over AMC. Only one we'll be doing today, unless you guys, well, there's some honorable mentions I guess we could look at, but the only one we're going to analyze TA-wise. And then we'll get to the Yolos. And a few good Yolos today. Wall Street Bets did have some pretty good Yolos today. A lot of memes. A lot of good memes. And then the Yolos weren't that bad as well. So I have quite a few of those. And yeah, that's all we got for today. So, should be a short and simple show. Short and sweet. Alright, guys. And let's get started. And before we begin, please hit the like button. Please subscribe. And catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. Alright, let's do it. Yeah, it was a good game, man. Yeah, it was a really good game. One of the more entertaining games in a while. Super Bowl. And you're from Ohio, right? So you're probably rooting for the Bengals. But yeah, that sucks. But, good game regardless. It was like super home field advantage. That wasn't really fair. All right, let's do it, guys. All right, so the Dow Jones down 0.49%. Nasdaq up 0.1%. That was in the red before. And the S&P 500 down 0.38%. So overall, not that bad. But, still slightly bearish. Alright, so the VIX is up 4% right now. Up 1.09 points. Up to 28.45. That was over 30 a couple hours ago, last time I checked. So VIX is coming back down, but yeah, the VIX came briefly back under 20 and right back up to almost 30. So that was short-lived. Still pretty volatile. Market is pretty uncertain, fearful right now. So not a good thing for the bulls, at least. Good for the rainbow bears. Oh, and by the way, guys, I want to start rainbow bearing again pretty soon here. Not yet, but I'm gonna wait for crypto to come back up a little bit. Get my license and stuff in order, and then I'm gonna probably start rainbow bearing again. So that'll be fun. Just a quick side note there. All right, let's check out the watch list. All right, so on the green side, a lot more green than it used to be a couple hours ago, but not too much price action. Let's check it out. So biggest gainer XCLA 10%, DD 7.27%, Prague 7%, PHUN 5.39%. Not much here. Got Groupon, Zillow, those are up quite a bit. Square 3.5%. Roblox 2.25%. DoorDash 2.21%. A lot of growth here. Not much value. Tesla did pretty well, 1.83%. That was one of the better stocks today. Netflix 1.3%. Nvidia 1.33%. Amazon 1.22%. Nike 1%. AMD 0.96%. Google 0.93%. And yeah, we got Disney, Match, Coca-Cola. Hey, MMAT was up 0.56%. Coinbase 0.37%. That's about it. Not much after that. CEI, Robinhood, Spotify, Apple. But yeah, a few growth stocks did pretty decently today. Growth/memes. Square, DoorDash, Roblox, and Tesla, and Netflix. Amazon, that's about it. Really not much in the green today. So pretty uneventful day. Both sides, but especially on the green side. And now onto the red. So it looks like tech is holding the market up today. And really not by much. Oh, Palantir was up 1%. Alright, onto the red side. Yeah, didn't really care, but was rooting for Bengals. Glad Stafford got a ring, though. He took some beating playing in Detroit. Yeah, that's a good story. Everyone knew he was good, but he was just stuck on the Lions for his whole career. Subpar franchise, so glad he got his shot. Glad he got his ring, for sure. You could always do SPYTA if you need to. If SPY isn't happy, nobody's. That's true. SPY was actually number 1 today on StockTwits, but it didn't really move much, 0.38%. So, I usually like to do TA on a lot of price action stuff. I look for things like 10% around there, but really nothing on StockTwits really moved much today. Top 10 trending at least. So biggest price action was AMC. That was. And even that didn't get as many mentions as it usually does. It got like 6,000 mentions. Usually it's around 10,000. SPY got like 11,000, I think, or something like that. But yeah, I looked at the price action today, and I'm like, well, what are we gonna talk about? There's not too much to talk about, but I got to put on a show for you guys. So we'll do AMC, and I can do SPY, but I don't know. It really didn't move much. So, we'll see here. But let's move on. So, SENS, Senseonics Holdings. Oh, yeah. And by the way about this, so I talked about SENS on Friday, right? I pumped out the video, and they got, apparently it was like ranked number 1 video I ever did in terms of like how many views I got time-wise. And I got like 3 subs the first, very early on. First few hours, like first hour or two. And then no one subbed after that. I was like, what is this? So, best video, and I didn't get as many subs as I wanted to. At least they got some, but that kind of pissed me off. But yeah, SENS talked about it on Friday, and that's going down 12.8% today. Biggest loser on my watch list. And then Moderna, 11.68%. Surprised that didn't get more mentions on StockTwits. But yeah, vaccines pulling back. Novavax down 11.42%. So pretty glad I didn't buy Moderna. I was gonna buy that at in the 200s, like 225, 250 range, and then decided not to, and it's pulling back pretty hard. So good thing I didn't. Moderna is a meme stock now. And yeah, Novavax, another vaccine stock, 11.42%. So those are going down. Looks like the devil's lettuce stocks, if you know what I mean, the good stuff. Those are going down. Canopy Growth, 8.68%. Sundial Growers, 8%. What else we got here? Clover, 6.54%. GME, 5.76%. AMC, 5.64%, which we'll talk about first and the only one today as of right now. Big loss for AMC. Well, not even that bad for AMC, but 5.64%. That's pretty significant. Tilray, 5.62%. So yeah, those, devil's lettuce stocks taking a beating here today. Peloton, 5.33%. Marathon, Bitcoin stock there. Crypto's going down as well, 5.12%. DraftKings, 4.84%. Oxygen, 4.21%. BBIG, 3.72%. Virgin Galactic, Centro, SoFi. Decent amount of price action loss here, but a lot of memes, a lot of growth/memes got hit hard. Yeah, what else we got here? Roku, Pinterest, Viacom, DWAC. That the release for DWAC, True Social, that's coming out pretty soon here. I think next week, less than a week. Gonna be interesting to see how that goes. Uber down 2%. Got some news about Uber coming up here. Pfizer 1.93%, so not as bad as the other vaccine stocks, but still going down there. What else we got here? ExxonMobil, Target. Now we're getting to the value stuff. ExxonMobil, Target, TD, Neo keeps going down. Meme index down 1.09%. Walmart, PayPal, JP Morgan, Wish, GM, McDonald's. Yeah, so for the most part, you know what? Not as bad as it. I mean, it definitely recovered here at the end of the day, but this isn't too bad, all things considered. Definitely a lot of memes got wrecked today. Not even that bad. Value seems to be holding up pretty decently. Most of it was in the red, but tech held up pretty well today. So all in all, bearish way to start the week, but a lot better than it could have been considering how the market opened. So nice little run here at the end of the day. But yeah, overall, slightly bearish. So hope you guys made money today, and if not, hope you guys held up pretty well. And yeah, the stock market. So let's get on to some crypto now. Looks like a little slow coming in here too on the show today. That's all right. Everyone hung over from the Super Bowl, maybe. All right, so CoinMarketCap still messed up. CoinMarketCap is like not that reliable anymore because it says it's down 10.8% today. It's not. It's actually down 0.3%, so not that bad for crypto. So I don't know what's going on here. But let's check out the meme coins. So Gala, that's trending. That's been going up a lot the past week or two, but that's pretty sideways today. Meta Doge V2, 23.32%. I think this has been trending for the past week or two. Meta Doge. And then Green Chart. I don't know what that is. Green Chart. It's just a green arrow pointing up. You got to be kidding me. That's up almost 1,300%. Retro code 392%. Nexalt 117%. So not too many memes. What is this? Safe Floki? Safe Floki? Is that like a combination of Safe Moon and Floki Inu? That doesn't sound like it's going to end well. That's up 40%. All right, well, interesting. Let's move on to the legit coins now. So yeah, crypto is actually down 0.3% today. Not that bad. So pretty sideways, but slightly bearish. Gonna load up on cannabis stocks and wait for legalization. Yeah, that should be coming pretty soon. I would say within the next year, federally legalized. Eventually it will for sure. So, it could be a good opportunity to buy the dip. It would make sense logically, but I'll just say be careful because a lot of those, cannabis stocks are considered meme stocks now. I don't know how. But yeah, Tilray is considered a meme stock. Sundial Grower is considered a meme stock. So, once something is considered to be a meme stock, you never know what's going to happen. Even though it should be going up. So, sounds like a plan. I'll just, just be careful, educated fool. I know a lot of people bullish on Tilray, but hasn't been performing well. What you gonna do? All right. So, yeah, what do we have here? So, not that bad. Bitcoin down 0.3%. It was down earlier. I think it was below 4,200, and now it went back. 42,000. Now went back above 42,000. Ether up 0.2%. Binance down 0.1%. XRP down 1.9%. Cardano down 1.1%. That's pushing $1 again. Solana up 1.8%. Yeah, Doge and Sheep getting hit pretty hard here. Doge down 5.7%. Sheep down 3.4%. I think those Doge and Sheep were trending top 10, but didn't get too many mentions, like 2,000. So, honorable mentions there. Crypto.com, this is getting wrecked. 8.9%. Wow. Wonder what's going on there. Litecoin down 2.5%. Hedera up 3.5%. Ether Classic down 6.2%. Where's FTX? Oh, here it is. Down 0.7%. Yeah, pretty uneventful. Pretty uneventful, to be completely honest. Pretty sideways for crypto, slightly bearish, but let's sort this out here. So it looks like maybe 25% of the coins in the green here, not much, and not much price action. Biggest gainer is Decred, 10.5%. And then Hedera, everything after that, major drop off, everything. So yeah, that's 10.5%. Then everything after that is 3.5% and less. Hedera, ICP, Solana, KuCoin, nothing too crazy. Yeah, not much in the green. I guess the things holding us up on the green side are Terra, Solana, and Avalanche. Those are the big value coins there. Only ones, really. And on the red side, not too bad either. Biggest loser, Crypto.com. That's really pulling everything down. Value coin there, 8.9%. And then Ether Classic and Doge. Yeah, so Crypto.com and Doge really seem to be pulling the market down today. And Sheep, I guess. But yeah, most of the coins in the red. Not too much price action, though. Yeah, so all in all, not a bad day for crypto. Wish it would have been green, but this is not too bad at all. So there you have it, guys. Slightly bearish stock market and slightly bearish crypto market. So, yeah, like I said, it was down a lot more to start the day. So nice little recovery here. And okay way to start the week. Not great, but hey, I'll take it. Not that bad. So I hope you guys did pretty decently today. Hope you guys made money, and if not, Hope it wasn't too bad. What up, Low Roller? Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you.
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Did I see horrible Coinbase ads in Super Bowl commercials? Yeah, I wasn't really paying like too much attention to the commercials because I was hanging out with my friends and we were just talking. But yeah, there was like Coinbase ads, Crypto.com ads, FTX ads, all these crypto ads, and then there was a lot of EV ads too. So like, was it GM, Kia, Ford? Like everyone was pushing their new EV as well. So yeah, it seemed like I don't know, a lot of pumping and dumping gonna go on, a bunch of ads and crypto commercials. But no, I mean I did see it, but didn't really pay too much attention. But a lot of my friends are making comments like these commercials make no sense. What is going on here? So I have to rewatch those. But they had a lot of celebrities. Which celebrities they had in those? Anyway, it was a good game, but yeah, some of the ads were kind of questionable, and a lot of crypto and EV shilling there. Anyway, thanks for joining the show today. Appreciate you as always. Well, actually, see here, Smooth Love Potion up 100% this week. That came out of nowhere. Oh right, Coinbase got QR code. Yeah. I saw that at the end of the commercial. There was a QR code you could just scan. I wonder that just takes you to Coinbase.com. I don't know. That's pretty smart, I guess. I wonder how much they paid to have that ad on there. A couple $1,000,000. All right, guys. So let's get on to the news now. So it looks like Low Roller has an article for us, and I have 3 articles myself. You got Coinbase news? All right, let's check it out. Oh, right. I did remember my friend saying this. It was like trending on Twitter. Let me pull it up. I don't want to play this video though. I don't know why this is like a screensaver for Coinbase. Yeah, I did remember my friend was on Twitter and he mentioned this after the Coinbase ad came on. He was like the whole website just crashed. So I guess everyone was scanning the QR code at the same time. So I guess it worked. That's pretty funny. All right, so Coinbase's bouncing QR code Super Bowl ad was so popular it crashed the app. Less talk, more Bitcoin. So now it says anyone who joins Coinbase gets $15 by tomorrow, February 15th. Not bad. Well, that was more popular than we thought. Dogecoin. Wow, got it. All right. Yeah, I did see this trending yesterday. my friend mentioned. So that's pretty funny. Hey, I guess it worked. So yeah, these crypto ads are working. All right, so on to my news today. So got 3 articles for you guys. One about they're all crypto articles. One about Uber. One about a seizure in the UK on some NFTs, and one about BlockFi. So let's get to this. And please smash the like button, guys, if you haven't yet. Appreciate you. Here comes the siren. I'm going to talk over it. My apologies. So, yeah, first article about Uber. Uber CEO says app will accept Bitcoin at some point in the future. So, yeah, Uber platform will one day accept Bitcoin and other cryptos as payment. So, not sure when that's going to be. Uber's not even sure when that's going to be. It could be years from now. But no matter what, that is some pretty bullish news. Another company accepting Bitcoin, adopting Bitcoin. So, it is becoming more mainstream now. Everyone uses Uber. So I'm not sure how many people will actually pay in crypto. But, corporations coming around to crypto now, accepting it and holding it on their books. Institutions as well, countries, hedge funds and stuff. So, pretty minor news here, I guess. But, big picture, this is pretty bullish. Big company like Uber plans to accept Bitcoin in the future. And other cryptos. Pretty exciting. Coinbase should show Dogecoin commercial, then boring Coinbase QR commercial. That'd be pretty funny. That'd be pretty bullish, but maybe Robinhood would do that because they make most of their crypto money from Doge. But Coinbase is not. They don't rely on Dogecoin for all their money. That would have been funny if Robinhood did it. That'd be more appropriate. That would have sent the price of the moon, right? Alright, second article here. British authorities just seized NFTs for the first time in a 1.4... Is that euros or pounds? I think that's pound. Not sure. 1.4 million pound fraud probe. Key points. Officials at Her Majesty's Revenue and Customs seized 3 NFTs as part of a probe into suspected tax fraud. So I guess Her Majesty's Revenue and Customs is like the UK version of the IRS. NFTs are digital assets designed to track ownership of virtual items such as art and video game characters. HMRC says it is the first law enforcement body in the UK to make a seizure of NFTs. So, yeah, it looks like, regulatory agencies are cracking down now. This SEC, not the SEC, but the FBI just seized, $4 billion from those rappers last week. And this is the first time I've ever heard about an NFT getting seized. So I've heard crypto getting seized, but yeah, NFTs are starting to get seized now. So wonder how this is tax fraud. I guess it's kind of like a gray area because, rich people buy art to dodge taxes, and technically NFTs are art now. I'm not sure if they're like legally considered art, but this could be a tax haven. NFTs, that could be a new thing. Because I'm not really into art like that. But I would buy some NFTs, if I was like that rich. To where you could just store it and not pay taxes. So, not the most money seized, 1.4 million pounds, but this is making headlines. It's the first time NFTs are getting seized. So pretty interesting. Probably see more of this to come. But yeah, the crackdown is starting, it seems like. These agencies starting to lay down the law. Another article? Alright, dude, we'll do that after this last one here. Alright, so let's read here. Peter Thiel-backed crypto startup BlockFi to pay $100 million in settlement with SEC 32 states. Key points. BlockFi has agreed to pay $100 million to the SEC and 32 states to settle charges related to its retail crypto lending product. The service BlockFi interest accounts let users accrue interest on holdings of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. BlockFi says it is now applying to register with the SEC to offer new crypto savings products called BlockFi Yield. Okay, so BlockFi is pretty big. Honestly, $100 million is like a slap on the wrist to them. That's not much money. So I guess the cost of doing business. But yeah, SEC in 32 states, they're a lot of places they were operating illegally. But I was reading here, it has annual yields as high as 9.25%, which is no different from what, Crypto.com is doing. They're offering like 10% on stable coins, even more on like some other coins, some less stable coins. So I'm not sure if like Crypto.com is legal to do this, but I wonder why BlockFi got in trouble and not some of these other exchanges. Crypto.com, Celsius is another big one, paying out huge returns. So I wonder why BlockFi got in trouble here and not those companies, or maybe they're next. We'll see. But yeah, the article is saying 9.25% is like really not, is like way above what you get from like bonds and stuff, which is true. But yeah, so they're cracking down here, but not some other big exchanges. Maybe they're too big to fail now. I don't know, but it's pretty interesting. So yeah, big lawsuit here. Well, big to us, but I guess the BlockFi it's not. But yeah, again, regulation coming down, hammer coming down. Crypto is getting regulated now, and if you do something, if you commit fraud or break the law, knowingly or unknowingly, you're probably gonna get, fined. And Joe Biden said he's going to release a crypto executive order here in the next few months. So regulation is coming, guys. All right, one more from Low Roller. Movie patch relaunching with ad service that tracks your eyeballs. Oh, well, I gotta turn off ad blocker. Don't really want to. Alright, I guess I'll do it for this site. Yeah, Movie Pass relaunching with ad service that tracks your eyeballs. What is this? Stupid ads. Yeah, Movie Pass. That's been around that was back in the day. I didn't know that was still a thing. Unlimited films, $10 a month. So it's like streaming. But why does it track your eyeballs? Facial detection. Yeah, I'm not sure if that's a good thing. I don't really want that. Wow, so they pause the ad until you return, so you have to watch the ad now. You can't just get up and walk away. That's what it's for? Yeah, I don't know if I'd like that. You can't skip ads. You got to sit through it now. That's pretty stupid. So, I'm not sure if it's going to work or not, Might go bankrupt again. But that's pretty scary. I don't like it. It tracks your eyeballs, and then it pauses the ad until you come back, so you're forced to watch the ads now. Oh, that's something I'm not going to get. Oh, more articles. All right, Low Roller. Got a lot of articles today. What up, Mitchell? Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you.
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Please smash the like button, guys. Would appreciate that. Nice seeing you, Mitchell. The CEO of MoviePass, like Steve Jobs, MoviePass will fail so many times and never come back. Well, Steve Jobs did make a comeback. But, yeah, MoviePass, I haven't heard that in a while, so surprised they're even still around. I thought they already went bankrupt. Or they did. I thought they folded. MoviePass can use Metaverse. It is free movie to watch your eyeballs. Look, alternative movie subscription. Well, yeah, I mean, I guess they're trying to compete with streaming. There's a lot of streaming ads on the Super Bowl too. Amazon Prime, Peacock, and HBO. You know, so they got to compete with all those guys, which don't have the eyeball thing yet. But yeah, that'll be interesting. I don't think it's gonna work. Probably gonna fail again, but worth the shot. Movie Pass have conferences last Friday. Are they a stock or are they private? Anyway, pretty interesting stuff. All right, let me open these other articles. Look, 2 subscriptions on Regal Unlimited and AMC Movie Pass. All right. Regal 90 days. So, is this in the movie theater or what? How does this work? You can watch unlimited movies in the movie theater and free non-alcoholic beverages. That's pretty cool, but you know, unless you're going to see movies all the time, like every day, every other day, I don't see why you would get this. It kind of seems like a waste of money, to be honest. But that's a pretty good deal. If you got nothing better to do, you can just watch movies all day, every day. How much is this? It says 90 days free, though. That's pretty cool. And if you can just watch it in the metaverse on your couch, that's not bad. So it ranges anywhere from 18 to 23.50 a month. That's not that bad, actually. And then AMC Stub. 3 movies every week, so this isn't unlimited, but still pretty good. That's a lot. 3 movies a week. I feel like that's more than a lot, more than enough. And how much is this? Doesn't say the price for this, but yeah. So I guess movie theaters are competing now with the streaming services, because now movies come out on streaming too. You don't even have to go to the movie theater anymore. So this makes sense. It incentivizes you to go to the movie theater. So that's pretty cool. Better than nothing. But I don't really see. You have to be like an avid moviegoer to actually sign up for this stuff. But that's pretty cool. So thanks for that, low roller. Do you live closer in your area for movie theater? Yeah, I live in New York City. There's movie theaters all over the place. A lot of AMC's and Regals. Those are the two we have. Are you gonna try 90-day free trial? I mean, maybe. I don't know. I don't really go. I haven't gone to the movie theater in a long time, to be honest. I usually just wait for stuff to come out on streaming. I wait 45 days, and then it comes out on whatever streaming service, and I just watch it there. So maybe, I don't know. If it's free, why not? But I'm not a big movie guy like that. But good to know. Thanks for that, dude. Alright, guys. So actually, let me check StockTwits to see if there's anything else we should talk about. But like I said, today was a pretty uneventful day. Pretty sideways. And not too much to talk about. So for now, we're just going to do AMC, unless you guys have any special requests. But yeah, not many mentions on StockTwits about any of the stocks. Not much price action. I think AMC was number 2, SPY is number 1, but not going to talk about SPY. So yeah, biggest price action on StockTwits here. See AMC 5%, and then 5.35%, and then it's like BBIG 3.39%, Tesla 1.8786%, GGPI, Sheeb, SoFi, and Dogecoin is 6.45%, but not many mentions here. AMC had over 6,000 mentions, everything else in the 2,000s. SPY got 15,000, but, I don't really want to talk about SPY. Didn't do much price action there. So yeah, not much to talk about today in terms of TA. So we're just going to do AMC. I guess there's some honorable mentions here. Moderna. That's about it. And CSE, CLTD, ADR. Don't know what that is. But, pretty boring day in the stock market, to be honest. Not much going on. So, yeah, should be a pretty short show. We're just going to do AMC, unless you guys want me to look at anything else. But we're just going to do AMC, and then we'll get on to the Yolos. So, we might actually go, I don't know, just hour and a half today. Maybe less, we'll see. But, yeah, TA usually is the longest part of the show, and we usually do, at least 3. Not at least 3. We usually do around 3, and we only got 1 today. So, all right, let's do AMC, and let's get on to the Yolos. So, should be a short and sweet show today. I like the movies. I got into AMC. Like you bought the AMC stock, or you did that movie pass thing, Mitchell. Yeah, movies are cool. But I ain't trying to pay for all that. I just wait for it to come out on streaming. And if you want to watch it on streaming, the new movies, it's like $30. And it's like, well, I might as well go to the movie theater, right? Does your area have 24 movie theater like AMC Regal? I don't think it's 24 hours, but yeah, I do have a lot of AMCs around my area. It is good for a homeless person to watch movie. Just pay $20 a month. You got a home in the theater. Yeah, I'm not sure if they'd like that very much. But, yeah, that is not a bad idea. You have a place to hang out all the time, and you have something to do, I guess. What a lot of the homeless people do is that they get memberships to the rec center. It's like a public gym, so they have access to showers and basketball and ping pong and swimming and good deal. They can actually live out of the rec center. Bought the stock again.
We like the stock.
Made good on it the first time. Like when it squeezed, yeah. Well, good luck to you, Mitchell. And honestly, we'll get to this in just a second, but it's not a bad buy right now. 14 would have been really good. But, $18, $17 range, it's really not a bad buy right now. A lot of upside potential here. We'll get to it in a second, but yeah, honestly, can't go too wrong. So I hope that, works out for you. Good luck to you, dude. AMC offering free Batman NFT too. Yeah, yeah, I saw. Yeah, we talked about that last week. So if you go see the new Batman movie, you get a free NFT. The Robert Pattinson Batman. I don't know. Ben Affleck was pretty bad. And Robert Pattinson, I don't think it's gonna be any better. I like the Christian Bale Batman. After that, it kind of fell off. Alright, so let's do AMC. That's it, and then we'll get on to the Yolos here. That Batman NFT might worth more an AMC stock. Yeah, more than one share, maybe eventually. Shouldn't be worth too much, because if it's free, they're giving them out like that. Probably not going to be worth much. Maybe like years in the future, sure. But for right now, there's going to be a lot of them given out, so I don't think it's going to be that expensive. But yeah, maybe like $15, maybe $20. Yeah, they filmed those Batmans in Chicago. Which one? The Christian Bale ones? Yeah, they filmed them in New York and Chicago, I think. Yeah, DC has to catch up, though. They're like really falling behind to Marvel. Marvel is slaying it right now. All right, let's do it here. So here's AMC Entertainment. This finishes at $17.75 today. That is down 5.64%.
Good.
These new Batmans are so whack. Yeah, I agree. I mean, it's not terrible, but I thought the Dark Knight, like that series was really good. But then maybe we're just getting old. Because my parents say it's the same thing. They're like, what is all these new Batmans? I like the real old one. Forgot who was Batman back then, but like way back in the day, they're like, it's funny, and now it's so like serious and dark and stuff. And so I don't know, maybe we're just getting old. No more Kevin Durant. No more James Harden in the Nets. Kevin Durant. Regret leaving this Golden State. Soon Irving leave the Nets. Oh, it's too early to say just yet, They seem to have a pretty decent team now. Pretty good team. But yeah, it's pretty... Did you see the All-Star draft? That was pretty funny. Kevin Durant didn't want to pick James Harden. And it was like pretty awkward. Everyone's just laughing at him. They make so many Batman movies in the last 40 years. Yeah, there was a lot of... There's like new Batman every like couple of years. Every like 3 years there's a new Batman. So people go watch it. Batman was in the movie 1980 to 1990. Yeah, that was probably the ones my parents watched. Dark Knight is the best ever. Agreed. Totally agree. Yeah, Christopher Nolan, really good director. All right, back to this. So AMC was number 2 trending on StockTwits today after SPY. And had some pretty decent price action here, so we will analyze it once again. So really no reason to justify this price action today. No news. So it just seems like the general overall market selling off a little bit here. Some apes taking profit, and some shorts coming in here. Just speculation on my part, though. Can't really say for sure. So let's go ahead and analyze here. So first of all, this looks like a possible cup and handle in the making. Bottom of the cup being around 1410. And it looks like the top of the cup could be 24.35. Or around $29. So that would be a bullish indicator that is telling us this stock should eventually come back up to 24.35 or 29 to complete this cup here. Well, actually, could also be 30.90. So it doesn't really matter where the top of the cup is. Those are all bullish indicators. That is telling us this stock should eventually come back up to one of those tops to complete the cup here. This also looks like a bull flag forming. No confirmation just yet, but we do have a flag pole formed. And it looks like the flag is forming. So we're starting to get confirmation. And that's another bullish indicator that is telling us that the stock may want to break out to the upside here. Okay, and that's about it. That's all I see here. Avatar 2 coming this year. Wow, it's been a while since the first one. That was a really good movie. They blew up the fake hospital down the street where I used to live. Yeah, that's the one where the Joker, I think they had one take and they messed it up, and then Heath Ledger, R.I.P. Well, it's just like, he just improvised and they kept it. Yeah, I think I know what scene you're talking about. Kevin should have never left Golden State. Yeah, they'd be stacked right now, but he wanted to do it himself. I won 11 free giveaway on Whatnot in the last 7 days. Now waiting my free item ship. Congrats, dude. Hope you got some good stuff. Okay. And if you guys want to follow along, the link to the chart is in the description down below. So right now this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of 1855 and 1730. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 1855, 2035, 2245, 2435, 2535, 2675, 2785, 2895, 3090, 3195, 3365, 3480, and then 3605. There is resistance above 3605, but we're not going to discuss that right now. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 1730, 1650, 1535, 1410, 1295, $12, 1090, 985, 890, 830. How low should we go here? Uh, 710, and then 610. Actually, we'll stop here at 830. And then 830. And there is support below 830, but we're not going to discuss that right now. Looks like some very strong support there. So right now at this current price, 1775. The channels to the upside are pretty wide. So if this continues to run to the upside, expect a significant increase in price action. But to the downside, the channels are pretty normal. So expect a regular amount of price action if this runs to the downside. So looking pretty bullish there in terms of channel size. RSI is currently at 45. So a little bit undervalued there. A little bit oversold. So according to the RSI, the price should be a little higher than 1775. And this did 44 million in volume today, which is below the average. So the sell-off today was not confirmed by the volume, which is also bullish. Okay. So we've been covering AMC quite a bit, always trending on StockTwits. If you guys recall, I did say 1410 looked like a really good entry. Looked like it may have bottomed out there. And since then, it has come up quite a bit. But still at 1775, not a bad entry. Again, we have bullish indicators in the cup and handle, bull flag, really no bearish indicators, and a neutral indicator in the RSI. So overall, this stock looks slightly bullish to bullish right now. So therefore, if you want to go long, not financial advice, I do think, again, you missed a really good entry at 14.10, but still at 17.75, still a pretty good entry. Bullish. We have bullish indicators, a lot of upside potential, possible price action to the upside, and not too much downside potential. And even if this does go to the downside, it shouldn't go that low. Very strong support at 14.10. So I would support going long at 17.75 and lower. If it pulls back below 17.75, then you can just average down at the supports that I mentioned before. But yeah, it looks like a pretty decent short-term hold and a pretty good long-term hold. So I do like going long here at 17.75 and lower. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, I would not do that, and I would not recommend that. I think it's just way too late to go short here. Should have went short months ago in the $50, $40, $30 range. Here at 17.75, it's just way too late. Already missed your chance. Again, there are a few bullish indicators here, no bearish indicators. A lot of upside potential, not too much downside potential. So I don't really see a reason why you would go short here. That'd be very risky. And you'd be betting against the apes, which is never a good idea. Never underestimate the apes. Honestly, I think that if this were to go back to the downside, it'd probably go. It would probably go back down to 14.10 at most, I would say. Very strong support there. So that'd be about that'd be about a 20% downside at most, I would say. And that's just not really worth the risk of getting squeezed out. So I would say going short here would be a high risk, medium reward play. Just not really worth it in my opinion. Not too smart. So I would not do that, and I would not recommend that. I think there are better short plays out there in the market, and AMC is not a great short play right now. So pretty straightforward here, guys. Looks like a pretty decent buy. Not a super great buy, but still pretty good. And don't really see why you would short this. So, sorry to everyone who lost money in the stock today. And good luck to everyone currently in the stock and to everyone looking to take a position. But still looks pretty bullish right now. And yeah. This is AMC Entertainment. Can you explain RSI, please? Sure. So let me move my... Actually, I don't... Yeah, let me move my screen here. My camera. So right here, RSI. I have the RSI plotted against the volume chart here. But you could do this in TD, Thinkorswim, if you have it. But yeah, RSI is pretty straightforward, easy metric to use. Stands for Relative Strength Index. So generally, it goes from 0 to 100. And generally, anything under 30 is considered oversold, undervalued. And anything above 70 is considered overbought, overvalued. So RSI, an average is like 50. So RSI here is like 45. So it's pretty average. So, you know, that's saying the stock is around where it should be. But, I don't know. Let's use a different example. What's let's use what's selling off right now. Facebook. Yeah, so like if we look at Facebook, the RSI here is at 25. So that's under 30. So that's saying, by the RSI, by that standard, Facebook is considered to be oversold and undervalued right now. So that could be a good buy. But yeah, it's pretty simple. Generally speaking, anything under 30 RSI, pretty good buy. Anything over 70, probably too late. Not a good buy, probably a good short, actually. So, it's a pretty simple, straightforward beginner metric to use in terms of like TA. So, very, very useful to have and very easy to understand. So I hope that answers your question, Mitchell. If you have any more, feel free to ask. And by the way, guys, so once I get my license here, which I'm pretty close to doing, I finished my textbook. I just need to start taking some practice tests. I already started. Did pretty good on them, so I just got to practice a little more, and then I'll get my license. And then the next thing I do after, well, I got to open my company. But then after that, I'm going to start remaking my Patreon material, which is just educational stuff. So I'm pretty much going to like teach a college class about TA and fundamental analysis, all coming straight from the textbook that I'm using right now to study for my my Series 6.5 license. So yeah, the content on the Patreon right now is pretty decent, but I made all of that when I first started the channel, and I wasn't that great of a content creator back then. So I'm gonna remake a lot of those Patreon videos, make it better, more entertaining, and hopefully provide value to you guys. But yeah, so Patreon is more like educational stuff, but I'm going to be remaking those and adding more content to that very soon here. So yeah, after I get all this, I got a lot of stuff I got to get done. Take my test, get my license, open the company. But then after that, I'm going to be focusing on a lot of content, just like pumping out content. I want to hit 1,000 subs here, start getting paid, get monetized, start getting the super chat, push my Patreon and stuff. So, big plans coming here in the future. So when you see those overnight squeeze plays when the RSI is over 90, that's a good time to sell. Yeah, for sure. 90 is considered like extremely oversold, overbought, overvalued. So that'd be a really good time to sell for sure. Slash squeeze, slash short. In other words, never buy when RSI is high. Well, not never, but that's a really good indication, a really good indicator of you probably shouldn't buy. Because sometimes if something is legit squeezing, like I've said on the show, like AMC's at 90 RSI, like you probably shouldn't buy it, and then it goes to 99 RSI the next day. So it's not never, but you probably shouldn't buy when the RSI is high. Yes, that's correct. You're probably too late. And you should probably never sell when the RSI, not never, but you probably shouldn't sell when RSI is low, like 20 or something, or 10. I rarely guess the 10, but yeah, when it's in like the 20s, like around 20, you should pretty much be buying actually. Yeah, RSI it's really simple and easy to use. High RSI, don't buy. Good short. Low RSI, which anything high RSI is above 70. Anything low RSI below 30, pretty good buy, and probably shouldn't sell there. Probably shouldn't short. So hope I explained that well. And if not, feel free to ask away. But yeah, guys, that's all the TA for today. That's it. Facebook. I mean, not Facebook. AMC. That's all I got. So not much chatter going on in StockTwits today. Market was pretty uneventful today. So let's get on to the Yolos now. This seems like a really short show, but we should be going like hour and a half here or something, so maybe another 20 minutes. Yeah, pretty chill show. Pretty relaxing. So give me a minute to pull up all the memes here, all the Yolos, and we'll finish up here with the Wall Street Bet stuff. DWalk was at 98 RSI the first time. Yeah, so was AMC, and so was like MRIN. So, yeah, that's the most it can go pretty much. Like 99.99 is the highest it can go. So if it's at 98 RSI, that's like extremely, extremely overbought, extremely overvalued, and pretty bad idea to buy in right there. But yeah, it's possible it gets to those numbers, just not very often. Yeah, that's why I shorted DWalk and I got wrecked on that. So it doesn't always work, but it's a good indicator. And it did come back down after that. What up, O'Milly? Nice seeing you again, dude. Appreciate you guys. Please smash the like button, guys. And let me get the spammer out of here. Oh, someone beat me to it. Mitchell beat me to it. Thank you, Mitchell. XCLA. Yeah, XCLA did go down a lot today. I did see. Or went up? Yeah, went up a lot. My bad. Went up a lot today. So, I wonder why this didn't get mentioned more on Wall Street Bets. But, yeah, nice little recovery here. Looks like it's holding 62 right now, pretty decently. So, hopefully it bounces here from 62. And, you know, longer term, it does look bullish. Cup and handle. Could be a bull flag forming here too. And I think there's a gap. There's a gap somewhere here. Yeah, there's a gap at around $2. So a lot of bullish things going for this here. Possible bull flag, possible cup and handle, gap down. So 3 bullish indicators. Really no bearish indicators. And RSI here is at 49. So neutral RSI there. So yeah, I don't think this is going to, like, moon hard. Like, moon super hard in the short term. But it should eventually, you know, start coming back up longer term. Over the span of, like, weeks and months, I would say. So XCLA looking pretty good right now. It was getting wrecked. Surprised it even went down at 35. That was really nasty. But making a big comeback here. Already up 100% from the low. So, I'm assuming you're in that, O'Milly. So, good luck to you, dude. And congrats on your gains today. Oh, Mitchell caught another one. Didn't even see that guy. So, you're on it, Mitchell. Appreciate you. What up, Marvin? Just got out of a meeting. Oh, glad you could make the show today, dude. And I see you, dude, coming up on, you know, doing your thing in the professional world.
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
So you made it just in time for the Yolos, dude. Because we only did AMC today. That was the only thing we analyzed. There's really nothing to talk about today. Nothing worth talking about, at least. Hey, Ty, real quick look at RELI price. Doubled in the last 3 weeks. All right, sure. Please smash the like button, guys. Appreciate you guys. Yeah. So this is a low float stock. Kind of looks like it's getting squeezed low key. 4 days of straight pump right here. So yeah, so this one the RSI is at 57, so a little above average there. But yeah, kind of mixed signals. There's a possible cup and handle, bull flag, but there's a gap up here at 1320-ish. Why do I have TA on this? Did I analyze this before? I don't know why I have lines here. So I drew this at some point. I don't even really remember this stock. But, yeah, so kind of mixed signals here. A little hard to tell. But it low-key might be short squeezing right now. Kind of looks like it. Yeah, so bullish indicators in the cup and handle, possible bull flag. Slightly bearish indicator in the RSI and gap up. So, are you in this, Mitchell? Did you catch the bottom? That'd be great. But, yeah, to be honest, I don't know if I'd personally buy in right here. It'd be a bit risky. I'd probably just stay away from this one for right now. If it comes back down to 320, looks like a really good buy there. But personally, you miss 4 straight days of pump. and a little too risky for my liking right now. You were in it before, so did you sell, or are you still in it? I hope you sold for a profit, dude. But yeah, this has been pumping a lot. Low key, like, this is a low float stock. It does 1.4 million in average volume, and it's been getting that, like, double that every single day. So yeah, low key short squeezing right now. But yeah, as of right now, a little too risky for my liking. I personally wouldn't. I might go short here. Probably not even yet. I wouldn't go short yet because it still has a lot of run in it. Looks like it might have. But I think at some point it's coming back down to 320. So if I'd set my buy orders there on the long side, and if it comes back up to like 950, even 9 on the short side, if it comes back up to 9, I'd probably go short here. Hey, INTK had one hell of a day. Good news drop. We can check that out. No, I sold on the way down. Made good on it. All right, congrats, Mitchell. Yeah, so it might be worth going for again. If it hits like 9, maybe you could short it. Not financial advice. And if it comes back down to 320, you can go long again. Oh, and Marvin, I saw you posted some stuff in Discord, some meme stuff. I didn't get a chance to look at it, but appreciate you always contributing. Useful information and funny stuff as well. So yeah, appreciate you, Marvin. INTK. So we looked at this one on Friday, right? The one I said kind of hard to tell where it's gonna go. Wow, it went up 43 today. Okay. Big day for this stock. Were you in this one, Marvin? Can't remember. But yeah, it looks like it's cup and handling right now. Might go back up to 3 cents. A lot of price action. Wow. So hope you were in this, Marvin. That would be a huge day today. Wow, what a stock. Crazy price action here. Hear a ambulance coming. Sorry about that, guys. Gonna talk over it. Yep. Wow. All right. Congrats, Marvin. Fat Cindy's today. The ape said it was supposed to go to $20 before. Well, you know what? 20, that's a bit ambitious. But here's some good advice, and this is not financial advice. If the ape says something, you should probably do the opposite of what the apes say. Not all the time, but, most of the time by the time the apes catch on and start pumping, and you see just, like, ass and titties everywhere on StockTwits and, and rocket ships and stuff, probably a good time to inverse what the apes are saying. So if apes saying it's going to the moon, it's probably not. Probably going right back to the ground. And if the apes are panicking, it might be a good time to inverse that and buy. Not all the time, but usually win when you inverse the apes. That's all I'm saying. Can you look at EEENF? All right. So that sounds like a foreign stock there. 88 Energy. INTK, is that OTC? Yeah, I think it is. Marvin's really into this OTC stuff, and he does really good at it. I'm not really into this OTC stuff, but Marvin seems to know what he's doing there. Yeah, that is OTC, and so is EEENF. 88 Energy. Okay. Well, there's the gap here. Gap down at like 3.6 cents. So that's bullish. Huge gap down here at 7 cents. So double gap down. Looks pretty bullish there. And this is a big cup and handle at like 4 cents, top of the cup here. So all the way going back to, what is this, September? August? So big cup and handle, actually just right here. You see it? So it topped out. The cup topped out here at like 4 cents. Bottom of the cup here is like 1.7. And it looks like the handle is forming now. So what, halfway between 4 and 1.7 is let's just say like 3.2-ish. Rough estimate. So yeah, now it's at 3.1. So this looks like a cup and handle right now. Really wide cup, but cup and handle. Handle's forming. So that's another bullish indicator. You know, pull back halfway to form the handle, and looks like it should break out pretty soon here. You know, looks like it's catching support. So it looks bullish to me, dude. RSI is 54, so that's pretty neutral, but double gap down, cup and handle. Handle's formed. So it does look pretty good to me, dude. Not financial advice, but it does look like it wants to break out to the upside soon. So not a bad entry, round 3. Can't find it. It might be the, I'm not sure which platform you're using, but some platforms you can't find OTC. I know Robinhood you can't for sure. This is an oil play. Yeah, well, 88 Energy sure sounds like it. Oil's doing really well right now, too. Holding up a lot better than, you know, rest of the market. Energy. Did you sell your MMTLP shares? That was a long time ago, huh? Still talking about MMAT. Yeah, not sure what Marvin did there. Still waiting for that dividend, right? Alright, guys, so today, let's finish up here with the Yolos. So, got a lot of memes. Wall Street Bets had a lot of memes today, some fun ones. And then we have some pretty decent Yolos. We have Facebook Yolos, SPY, BLK, Tesla, more Facebook, and Amazon. So, good mix of memes and Yolos today. Let's do it. Should be fun. I still got mine. Hey, good luck to you guys. That was printing at first. I'm not sure what it's at now. Alright, so this one is by Joker925. Poor Bill, he lost his fun, his fortune, and now his lost corn record all in less than a year. So, yeah, here's Bill Wong, the Archegos guy. You know, that was actually how, like, that was the big first piece of big news I covered on this channel when Archegos went down. And, you know, clown on me for buying the dip on Archegos. I was like, Viacom went down to 30, went down to like 40 from 90. I'm in there. And then clown on me because, like, almost a whole year later, it's still down there. So, clown on me. But yeah, Bill Wong, clown on this guy because, you know, he was a billionaire. He was worth $20 billion, and for some reason took like 5x leverage and was, you know, you have 20 billion. Why do you need 5x leverage? Why are you investing 100 billion? And then he got liquidated, lost it all, margin called in a day. Legend. And then now we got Mark Zuckerberg here. Lost 29 billion in one day on Facebook. So it's a little bit different, you know, because Zuckerberg is going to be okay. He didn't get liquidated. Facebook, I don't believe that's going anywhere. But yeah, that is a lot of money to lose in one day. But to him, you know, honestly, it hurts, but it ain't that bad. And he didn't lose 29 billion. Facebook lost 29 billion. But yeah, you know, everyone taking L's here. Billionaires taking L's here, except for Elon Musk. So, pretty good meme here. I wonder how Bill Wong is doing. We need an update on this guy. He's just like... Well, I wonder if he works at Wendy's now. No, he's probably still pretty rich, but haven't heard anything about him. And apparently he's friends with Kathy Wood. Big friend of Kathy Wood, so that'd say a lot, right? Alright, this one is by International Brand 72. Sounds familiar. Definitely reviewed this guy before. It's transitory. So, inflation, government numbers. Looks good, right? Real numbers. So, yeah. Looks good on paper, but it's a lie. This is reality here. It's, your dad's ass. So, pretty good analogy here. Pretty good analogy. The government, inflation numbers, they lie into you, making it seem not that bad. In reality, it's pretty bad. It's a pretty funny meme here. I'm glad the memes are back. Hope they stay. Alright, this one is by Buds on Guy. Mark Zuckerberg's soul is liquidated. What soul? He has a soul? Seems like a robot. He's like the most awkward. He kind of reminds me of Vlad, you know, from Robin Hood. They're just like the most awkward, like socially awkward guys. And just kind of seem like robots, you know? No personality, no soul. So this one is by Buds on Guy. Calls it is. So here's a meme about Putin. And he's riding the bear, but this is Photoshop because he's actually riding a horse. You know, he takes all these pictures to like promote himself and stuff, look manly, but it's actually a horse. But they photoshopped a bear in here, and you know, Putin's getting a lot of talk. The whole Ukraine situation right now. So I'm not sure why that means calls, but yeah, Putin riding the bear right now, pretty relevant. Alright, this one is by How Dog You. How Dog You Too. So here we have the clown meme. This one's a little different this time. Transitory in the SpongeBob text. Inflation is transitory. Okay, maybe it's not transitory, but we can weather the storm and print more money. Wow, these inflation numbers are aggressive. All the poor people noticed it, but the Fed didn't. So he's putting on the clown makeup. Here's a different one. The last one. I can't even afford to eat anymore, let alone buy clown makeup. So there's a plot twist. This is a pretty famous clown meme here. But yeah, he's so broke he can't even afford to be a clown anymore. Calls on oil, I guess. Calls on anything oil. That's actually a pretty real thing, you know, because most of Europe gets their oil from Russia. So like Europe is trying to invest in like green energy now, so they don't have to be so dependent on Russia. But they literally have beef with each other, Europe and Russia. They don't like each other. But yet Russia controls all their energy, like 75% of it. They just import their oil. They have this huge pipeline coming from Russia into Germany and the rest of Europe. So, like that legit could be a thing. Not saying it is, but yeah, calls on oil, that it might be. Start jacking up the prices on oil. Alright, this one is by Irony Man. No way. Is this the same Irony Man? Irony Man, it used to be... I think this guy... I don't know if it's the same Irony Man, but Irony Man is a Wall Street Bets legend. Because he... I think he also broke Robinhood. And he borrowed, like... He did the box spreads, and he broke it, and just... He found the unlimited money cheat code. Or he was one of the guys that did it. He did the unlimited money glitch, and he just borrowed like 50K in margin or something, and just lost it all. So I'm not sure if this is the same Irony Man, but yeah. Good old days of Wall Street Bets. Irony Man. Anyway, me when hyperinflation hits. So I think this is a meme. I think this is of Germany after World War II when they had to pay like reparations and stuff. And they just kept printing money. And everything just costed a ridiculous amount. So, could I have a loaf of bread, J Pal? So yeah, one loaf of bread probably cost $1 million. So not accurate just yet, but we're getting to this. We're getting to this. Kind of scary. All right, and last meme here, short little video. So we got Elon Musk riding the bull. So this one's by SPAC Master. The market cut the bull shiz. So here we got Elon Musk riding the bull backwards. Here's Wall Street Bets getting carried by the bear. The bear's effing Wall Street Bets. Here's Jim Cramer. Here's a bull. Here's Kathy Wood with the red cloth. And here's Putin. He's a frat boy. And here's J Powell. Just a poop meme. So, yep, pretty accurate. Pretty accurate stuff here. This is Wall Street Bets explained, summed up in one meme right here. So, pretty funny stuff. Thought I should share with you guys. All right, on to the actual memes now. Not the memes, the Yolos. All right, so this one is by Cytokin Storm. So we've been reviewing this guy. Last week we reviewed this guy's YOLO, crazy Facebook YOLO, super FD Facebook YOLO, and so here's another update. It's like third update on this. So yeah, against all odds, my Facebook YOLO did not net me $1 million in profits, which is what he thought he was going to get. Yeah, so 1 week ago, he bought 400 February 18th, 245 calls. And he sold today, so bought high, sell low. That's the motto. I still think it was a shot worth taking. So let's review this, let's review the play here. So 185K, yep. Oh, wow. Yeah, so the play was 400 calls for Facebook. Super FD. So, yeah, 185K YOLO. And yeah, now they're worth $55 each. So, let me do the math here. So we sold it for like $22,000. So he's in for 185K. So $185,000 YOLO. And he cashed out for $21,600. So yep, buy high, sell low. That's the motto. I give him the clown. Give him the Wendy's. RIP to his portfolio. So you know what? It's actually not a, well, it is a bad play, but like Facebook, you know, buying the dip on Facebook is not a bad idea, but the fact that he FD'd it like this, that was pretty questionable. You know, I said, I don't know if this is going to work. I doubt it. So yeah, that's how you lose 90% in a week on Facebook FDs. So, Cytokin Storm, sorry for your loss. Thanks for the update, first of all. Sorry for your loss, but great content. You are a legend regardless. And, yeah, you know, I didn't really think it was going to work, but some pretty big balls here. Didn't work out. Hope you're okay. But, hope you're okay from this. Hope it wasn't too bad. And no matter what, you are a legend. You already sold. It's over. But now you can write off, like 100 years. How many years? 30 years? More than that. 40 years of taxes. A lot of tax write-offs here for the rest of your life. So, hey, there's positive. But yeah, thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss, and good luck to you, dude. Does he have any? I think he's okay. Said he made his first 500K in SPY puts. So he can afford to lose this, although I'm not sure how big of a hit it was. Dude, you have a serious gambling problem. It becomes more apparent with every trade. So yeah. All Street Bets degen here. Definitely belongs here. Alright, this one is by Small Bites. YOLO, 0 days till expiration. Puts, 170K gain. So this was actually from Friday. But let's see what's up here. Don't ask me why I bought the puts the day it expires. I bought these options this morning hoping for a miracle. Started seeing red to green, held on for dear life, sold right before 3 p.m. So I don't think he... Oh, he did sell. Well, let's check it out here. So it's already over, yeah. So here we got 299 puts for SPY, 449 strike, expiring February 11th. So it's already over. So this was about a 50K YOLO, little over 50K YOLO, 51, 52K YOLO, and he's up $171,000. So yeah, just a 50K absolute chuck. I don't know. So don't do this, guys. This is really, really risky. He just got lucky. So can't get too much more FD than this. Same day expiration, 50K YOLO, and got really, really lucky. So bad strike, bad expiration, but well timed. But most of this was luck. And he printed 332%. So he doesn't even know why he did it, but it worked. It usually doesn't, though, so be careful, guys. So, yeah. It's already over. Nothing much else to say. So, Small Bites, thanks for posting. Congrats to you, dude. Yeah, even you don't know why you did this, but hey, it worked, so awesome. And it's already over, so enjoy the attendees, dude. And I would just say don't attempt this anymore. Or maybe just chill out, because you got lucky this time. Next time, you probably won't get so lucky. So congrats to you, dude. Thanks for posting, and good luck. Alright, this one is by Board Emergency 6179. So yeah, pretty straightforward here. Lost corn on BLK. So, not the biggest YOLO in the world, but one call for BLK, $800 strike, expiring February 25th. So yeah, this was a $6,300 YOLO. And right now he's down $5,900, 93%.
Good.
So not the biggest loss in the world, but I mean, I guess it is to this guy. And BLK doesn't look too good. 800 strike. So he has about a week and a half to go. And he needs, not that bad, like 5%. But wow, it just keeps going down last 4 days. So yeah, got pretty unlucky here the last couple of days, getting wrecked. So really at this point, I mean, there's a chance. It's not too crazy, but if you want to save 440 bucks, cut it now. Or, I guess if you really want, just let it ride. It's possible, but 440 bucks is still a decent amount of money. I'd probably just cut it here, but I guess there is a chance. It's not a terrible chance, actually. We can actually look at Delta. $800 call. So 17% chance this works, according to TD. So that's possible, but not very likely. So I'd cut it, but I guess you can hold if you really want to, if you don't care about your last 400 bucks. But yeah, board emergency 6179. Thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss, dude. Not the worst thing in the world. Sounds like to you it will be, so, but it's not the worst thing in the world. You can make your money back. Just work at Wendy's for a little bit. And, yeah, in the future, chill out. Be safer. So, good learning experience. Sorry for your loss, and thanks for posting. And good luck to you, dude. Alright, 3 more. This one is by Dr. Amari Rehab. Amar Rehab. Okay. 8-bagger trading 0 day till expiration puts Tesla puts today. 2.8K to 23K. So, says I should have just held on to the first 5 puts. And he could have actually made 30K, but not complaining. So yeah, let's check it out. So it looks like he was day trading Tesla here. This is last week, February 11th. So yeah, it looks like made off with 4,500 here the first time. Bought 5 Tesla puts, sold them. 4,500 profit there. And then he bought 10 more and started unloading them. So these were mostly for the 880 strike, super FDs. So yeah, it's already over. Day trading options here, always risky stuff. Don't recommend you guys do this unless you really know what you're doing. And yeah, turned, so yeah, this was a 2.8K YOLO, $2,800 YOLO, and he cashed out for 2,300 bucks. 23,000 bucks. So like 800% gain here. Very, very nice. So, yeah, once again, risky stuff. Don't recommend you guys do this, but worked out for this guy. Definitely belongs here on Wall Street Bets. Great content. So, yeah, Dr. Amar Rehab, thanks for posting. Congratulations to you, dude. Risky stuff. Glad it worked out. And, yeah, you could have made more money, but honestly, yeah, can't complain. 800% gain, can't complain at all. So, enjoy the attendees. Congrats to you, dude. And good luck. Alright, this one is by Sam Hema. $235 March 25 Facebook calls. Turned a couple hundred into 12K trading. Earnings FD on PayPal, AMD, and Amazon with some SPY. Next thing you know, I decided to get into Facebook Thursday because I was sure it was going to fill that 240 gap. I'm probably the most artarded on here. Artard on here. Maybe not, but I'm pretty dumb. Current position. All right, so he made a bunch of money YOLOing. 12K on earnings FDs, and then he rechucked it. So here's a graph. So yeah, he literally ran $100 to 12K, and now he lost half of it. He's at 6.3K. So you know what? This is actually not a loss. He's actually still up. That's pretty impressive. From $100 to $6,000. That's still some massive, massive tendies. But let's be real, guys. This is some straight up gambling. And he should probably stop while he's ahead. He might lose it all back. So, a lot of luck involved. You know, really impressive. $100 to 12K. Hard to do. And just like that, he gave back half. So it says loss, but he's really still up overall. Pretty big. And at this point, you know, honestly, maybe you should just quit while you're ahead. I don't have a good feeling about this. Seeing this over and over again. Yeah, he's down like $3,500 on Facebook. So, Sam Hema, thanks for posting. It says loss. It's not a loss, dude. Well, it's loss on Facebook, but like I said, $100 to 65K, 6,500. That's pretty impressive. So you're still up, pretty massive. But yeah, I know it sucks losing half your money in one go like that. But yeah, dude, not all bad. You're still up a lot of money. So you know what? Like I said, maybe you should just quit while you're up, because if you keep doing this, you may go back to zero. But hey, that's what Wall Street Best is about, right? So thanks for posting. Great content. Sorry for your loss. Congrats on your gains. And good luck to you in the future, dude. They actually expire on March 25th, so still has time. Still has time. But not looking great. It's at 217. It needs to fill 240. So, good luck to you, dude. Actually, how much value does he have left? He might actually want to cut. I don't know. He's still at $6,500. All right, so he literally YOLO'd. Yeah, he YOLO'd his whole account on Facebook. So this actually probably will go to zero. So yeah, maybe just cut it, dude. Cut your losses. You know, call it a day. Because if you just hold this, it's probably going to go to zero and you're going to lose all your money right back. So, I don't know, dude. I think you should cut here. It's crazy. Just chuck his whole account on Facebook FDs like this. Hey, I think you should cut. But, you know, up to you, dude. But I really think you should cut. So, good luck to you, and please post updates. All right, last one. By Rightly Wrongful. Amazon puts not going as I expected. So this is a lost corn. It all started back when Amazon had earnings and the stock boomed 15% in a day. I thought this was stupid because the earnings were lackluster, so I bet most of the money on secondary account into the short-term out of the money puts because I'm an idiot. Well, at least they know what they admit it. So let's check it out. So it looks like two YOLOs here. One already expired, actually. So, yeah, this was a $4,150 YOLO. 2,900 put. That one went to zero already. That expired worthless. And he still has one more here for February 18th, so expires Friday. Super FD. That was a $2,140 YOLO. 2,950 put there. So actually, when was this posted? 1 day ago. So he's up on that. Interesting. I don't know how he's up on that. Because Amazon is at like 3,100 actually. So I'm not sure how correct that is. Although it did go up $37 today. So what is it worth now? $29.50. $29.50 put. Let's just call it 1,500. And that's the more generous side. So he's actually down on this now. He's down on this. So 4 days to go. I don't know, dude. Still got 1,500 in value. It might go really, really bad. So maybe you might want to cut before you lose everything there. Just an idea. I think that'd be the better play. But yeah, Amazon FDs didn't work, and he's probably going to be down over $6,000 here. Probably close to, down $6,300. But yeah, rightfully wrongful. Next posting. Sorry for your loss, dude. Risky stuff, Amazon FDs. I guess I kind of get it, but that's you know, even when you play option, that's what happens when you play options. Stuff can go really wrong really fast. So, yeah, sorry for your loss, dude, but you can cut now, save $1,500, or lose everything. Up to you. So, yeah, hope you're okay. Consider cutting, and please post updates. Good luck, dude. Alright, guys, that is the show for today. It actually went longer than I expected. Almost 2 hours here. There really wasn't too much to cover. So, I mean, we had a lot of Yolos and, you know, a good amount of chatting and stuff. So, appreciate everyone. Pretty chill show today. Not much to cover. Got through a good amount of news. Only did AMC, so that shouldn't take too long to upload that video there. Not sure how many views it's going to get, but shouldn't take too long to upload that video. And, yeah, you know, some pretty fun YOLOs. So, appreciate everyone coming in today. Not so many people today. That's all right. Super Bowl hangover. And that's all I got. So, anything else? Questions, comments, concerns? Otherwise, we will get out of here. How many people still in here? I don't think too many. Oh, there's 3 people. And only 5 likes. So, do me a favor, guys. Please smash the like button before you go. Appreciate that. And, questions, comments, concerns, put them in the chat right now. Otherwise, we'll get out of here. Ty, what's for dinner? I think I'm going to have some ramen. I think that's the move for tonight's dinner. What about you? I think ramen is the move. Nope, good stuff. All right. Me and Marvin always got you. Yeah, appreciate you guys. You guys are the real ones, real loyal. Oh, that's funny because I wasn't even joking. I just realized we are doing Ramenistan. I wasn't even joking. Like, I'm legit eating ramen and not like not like the top ramen, not cup noodles. Like, I'm legit going to the restaurant buying some authentic ramen. So that's pretty funny. I didn't even realize. That's a pun there. No, not top ramen. Like, legit authentic ramen. The good ramen. That's pretty funny though. No, not top ramen. But yeah, appreciate you guys. Couldn't do it without you guys. You guys are the real ones. Damn. Yeah, I think that's a good thing that I'm not eating top ramen. That's hood ramen. Yeah, the top ramen is the hood ramen, college ramen. No, like authentic Japanese restaurant ramen. That's what I'm going for. Sounds good right now. But that's pretty ironic. That was pretty funny. Tell you what though, I love me some of that the chicken joints. Because Popeyes is like damn expensive. I just go to the chicken joint, and it's like they got like 15 piece for 20 bucks. Popeyes are probably like $50. So I stay buying from the chicken joint, and that's open like all day till like 3 a.m. So um, love me some budget fried chicken. I feel you. I'm eating top ramen after a day like today too. Super red day today. It wasn't all that bad, but yeah, we all might be eating top ramen for you know for in the short term here. Hopefully not the long term, but market doesn't look too great at the moment with all this inflation and interest rates and all that good stuff. So hopefully it's not a bear market, but we may be eating ramen here. New York is expensive? Yeah, absolutely. Well, that's considered like pretty cheap. I mean, Chicago is pretty expensive too, but not like New York. Yeah, cost of living here is insane. I was looking into not right now, but down the road, maybe in a couple of years, I was looking to move to either like New Hampshire or Delaware. Sounds really boring, but tax wise, those are the best places to live on the East Coast. Delaware and New Hampshire, because Delaware has like um they have a lot of income tax, but they have like no property tax, no sales tax. And then New Hampshire has a lot of property tax, but not too much income and sales tax. So if you rent in New Hampshire, you can like not pay taxes on anything pretty much. So I was looking into that, although I'm not sure if I want to live in New Hampshire. Sounds pretty boring. Delaware too, but at least that's closer to like Philly and stuff. So, you know, planning long term move here, because New York is crazy. The taxes here are ridiculous. Nothing like it though. Fried chicken top ramen. Actually, doesn't sound that bad. I love me some chicken and waffles. Hope AMC pays off. Yeah, me too, dude. Good luck to you. It does look pretty good though. Like I said on the TA, it looks like a pretty decent buy right now. So hope that works out, dude. Good luck. All right, guys, that's all I got for today. So hope you guys enjoyed. Pretty short and sweet show, pretty chill. And I'll get the video out really soon. Shouldn't take too long. Just got to edit one for AMC. And yeah, let's get out of here. Thanks everyone for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please like the video. Please subscribe and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. Are you in it? No, I've never been in AMC. So I'll just watch from the sidelines, but no, I'm not in AMC. What up, Zach? Show's over, but glad you could stop in real quick. Nice seeing you, dude. Hope you're doing well, also. Pretty good day to be Rainbow Bear. Alright, looks like we're not done just yet. Got some links here. NFT drop tomorrow. Terra Virtual. Alright, let's check it out. Alright, we're just chilling now, so that's cool. Sorry, was late for today's show. Oh, no problem, dude. It's nice seeing you stop in at the end. No problems. Stupid bot. Give you the hey, hey, hey.
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Ape say 5,000 a share on AMC, right? Yeah. Diamond hands till it hits 100K. Remember that? I'm not selling till 100K.
With diamond hands, they knew they'd profit if they could only hold.
So the apes are still trying to squeeze it. So diamond hands, and they can pass it on to their grandkids and whatever, and they'll be diamond handing till 100K. So no, in all seriousness, AMC does look pretty good right now. But 5K, get out of here. What's up? Good day for you. You didn't go Rainbow Bear, dude? Today was pretty decent for Rainbow Bears. But yeah, good day for most people. It wasn't too bad, though, you know. Early in the morning, it was pretty good, and then it came back towards the end here in Power Hour. So, sucks to hear, but I'll give you the good. I'll give everyone the good here. But yeah, hope it wasn't too bad. Today was, like, not the worst thing in the world. Went rainbow, but got caught in SPY. Yeah, towards Power Hour. Like 2:30, it started mooning. So, sucks to hear. So, a little too late on... Yeah, sold a little too late today. Recovered a little too late, but... You know, doesn't sound all that bad, so... Sorry to hear that. Can't win them all. It's gonna moon... I'm good for 25 to 30 bucks. I mean, that sounds pretty fair, actually. You know, AMC does, it could be worth 30 bucks. It sounds about right, actually. That'd be like 100% gain for you, so sounds like a good plan, dude. That's a lot more realistic, you know, don't be a super ape. Burn my tail trying to get the 435 break to the downside. Are you still in, or what? Tomorrow it might go right back down, so... Not sure if you covered or what. But yeah, that sucks, Zach. Can't win them all. But yeah, everyone's super good today. So, all in it together. Godzilla versus Kong. NFT. For Terra. So, do you just get a free one no matter what if you have Terra, or what? That's interesting. Probably worth 5 to 10 bucks free NFT. That's pretty cool. It looks pretty... Doesn't look that great, though, I will say. Look at Kong. Is this Kong? What is that? Doesn't look that great. And Godzilla looks okay. But... What is that? That's a pretty bad-looking King Kong. Okay. Well, it's free, so... Probably free $5. Cut it tie, yeah, can't win them all. Yeah, what you gonna do? Get them next time. The ape's convincing me again. Yeah, you gotta stay off Wall Street bets. It does try to it does. You stay on Wall Street bets too long, you're just like this meme stock, this meme stock, this meme stock, then you get in trouble. So you can't spend too much time there. But yeah, you know, it's okay to play the meme stocks. It's just don't diamond hands it like the apes do. Never ends up well. Mitchell says he's been taking a beating all year. It's not just you, Mitchell. Everyone taking a beating. Everyone getting it from Jay Powell right now. Taking a beating from Jay Powell. Damn, King Kong looks like holding AMC at 70. Yeah. Yeah, this is what the apes look like when they YOLO'd at 70. This is what the AMC apes look like right now, looking like Kong. Diamond hands. Made 35K first time tie. Yeah, that's a lot, dude. So, yeah, AMC did actually squeeze the first time. This time, I don't think so, but still a lot of money to be made. So, congrats to you, Mitchell, and hope it works out this time. Alright, guys. So, I think that's it. So, yeah, nice chilling with you guys. Really nice chill show today. You know, this time, just kicked it a lot. Always appreciate you guys for that. Don't mind. And yeah, that's all I got. So let's get out of here now. And please smash the like button on the way out, guys. That was only like 5 likes before, so let's try to get that up. Godzilla low-key shorting the hell out of AMC GME. Yeah. Godzilla looks like he's winning there. I mean, I was always more of a Godzilla fan than King Kong. Come with us, Ty. What, to AMC? I think I'm good on that, dude. I never was a big fan of AMC like that. The stock, at least. And trying to stay away from the memes right now. At least on the long side, you know. But, alright, guys. That's it. So, let's get out of here. Appreciate everyone, once again. You guys are the real ones. You guys make the show possible. Alright. Thanks, everyone, for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please, like the video. Please subscribe. And catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. You apes already know. Diamond hands to the moon. I'll go 500 shares if it hits 15. And diamond hands to 30. Yeah, that's kind of like what Mitchell's doing. I think he's around like 17, trying to sell around 30. So, yeah, could be a... It does look like a lot of upside. So, could work out. No MMAT for you. Alright, yeah, I mean, I hope it moons. I sure hope it moons. It does look good. We talked about it. So, I'm going to sit it out, but good luck to you guys. Alright. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out. Catch you guys on Discord.